dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
Alright, so we hadn't seen Chucky in 6 months, so we decided to drive the 2 hours from St. Mary to Portland so that we could see Freelance Chucky, and we got there late at night, so we ended up hanging out with him in his bar. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
6 beer from you and just give it to you instead of buy it from.
Well, we can actually just give him and we don't have to take the beers.
How much one a beer?
250.
250. So this would be 4 and this would be this would be 6. So that's $1,500.
Okay.
Yeah. So should I say if we just drink a 6 beer?
Alright, no problem.
Okay. Thanks.
So you always make some short run, but you have to try make some long run sometime, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too short, man.
I know.
Right, Jason?
Too short. Too short.
Too short.
Huh?
Yeah. So short time.
Yep, and we do out in the street, Wicked and Corona in the street, so maybe play when she got test tomorrow.
Well, it's more here. I think this is the, yeah. I try and make him go somewhere like every night, and he just doesn't want to go. Tonight we're gonna go somewhere.
Where? Party?
Yeah.
I want to go to the clubs and these
Where?
We found a good club.
Margarita Villa?
No, like
No, we haven't been there.
stripper clubs.
Okay, well I didn't try and go to the stripper club.
That's just regular club. It's just regular. It's not upstairs or nothing. Just like at Airbnb, they turn in the club.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, well, if there's something they're watching, you have Shades.
Yeah, we know Shades.
Shades nightclub.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Shades crazy.
Which is the one? That's the one we just went to, or?
We don't go to that one.
Okay. Well, I liked the one we just went to.
She like the crowd when people outside are just chilling, and she love it, and he's like,
Yeah,
like
chill,
stay.
yeah.
The man where mood to mind if somebody come and they don't want to go nowhere
Me
for
too.
2 weeks, but just damn it and just enjoy myself and do it. Yeah. I saw me stay. I not have to go up on the road, I go up on the street.
I like it though.
But she don't know.
Once we go home, you prefer to sleep.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
How she making YouTube? You making YouTube at daytime?
Yeah, she met them some.
In the daytime. But today the Airbnb that he was saying, there's like a giant ladder to climb up, and I was so scared to go up, but I went up. I was there for like an hour or something like that. Yeah, so scary, because the ladder's not attached. It's just like leaning on the thing. So yeah, it's nice. It's scary. Yeah, sure.
So up here, so now I put a kitchen.
A big investment you do.
Yeah, man, big investment in this, man. You tell us this all a family could blow cash go. As we make a little money at this go. See on the top here now.
Yeah.
I tap this
Steel
now
work,
steel.
yeah.
Now I put my steel up the bathroom and now in the kitchen or something. Up on top here. Yeah, man, this is the bathroom. Over this is the kitchen. Yes, up at the bar.
So you're making more rooms on which side?
Yeah.
Over here? Or on?
the
Oh.
other side.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing nowadays, man.
Your rooms are so nice. Like.
I get some more lumber already. I start
Oh.
lumber like Jason already, you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
The sun and the gravel.
On
out
the
there.
gravel.
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be so nice. And do it the same way, like paint it same
Yeah.
colors and everything. Okay. So nice.
After me done the up on top this one, I'm gonna build a room for myself down the spot me live now. On top of the kitchen. It's on top of the kitchen there's someone put my original room so me can look over the whole yard. So I look at top where the house there now, I can stay all the night and look out there up there and see say everybody good. And then we go some babs and build 1 3 or 1 4 cottage around the place.
Oh yeah, for like less expensive rooms, you said.
Yeah. Because my thing up a strictly concrete. Inside I got tile out, you have your inside bathroom with your bowl and your bath and your hot water and your cold water.
Well, deserve that. Yeah.
So that's why my thing I go up.
Yeah.
But not the whole
That's why
stay.
I set up my thing I know where they can come for lunch.
Okay.
Suppose I have
Yeah.
a set of friends who do up a Chucky and I say, hey, we don't really want to go Sunrise place. Well, you can just call and you book for that day. So you know, so we just a book free. You know where I come that day and you just enjoy yourself and eat and drink and
Yeah.
then go back where you stay.
Yeah.
Don't have a problem with that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that would be good. That's nice.
But now it's a time to come further than another year, like nearly for Christmas now, I'm going to make up some catches.
For next Christmas.
No, yeah, like Christmas coming, make up like around 4 catches or 5 catches, them down for the backpacking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it in the land. Like he has more land going up the hill too.
Yeah.
Like where we walked through.
And the guy I sell the land top side over there. It's 5 acres.
Yeah.
And 5.6 million feet. And right now, this is my plan to go. Yeah, we are pretty big. So now more place of turn on my scheme now. We have van, me a a boat. Time to come, me want a nice yacht. This is my
Super rich something you talk about.
Yeah, yeah. That's not. That's a.
pretty. If to get a good boat, I have to buy it in Miami. And I look for $150,000 US for a good boat.
Ah, more than that.
And that.
It's far away more than that.
Yeah, so I for sure, I'm not really got a big one. I go one who can do a 9 people or 8 people. So you know, so that's just a little private one. I'm not going to the big old yacht, then we're going to keep crazy party.
Yeah.
Just a nice little thing. Yeah, family.
Probably for 100,000, then you could do it. I think.
Yeah. Because me look on them all the while and they're just licensed, so we can go from Caribbean to Caribbean.
Like a cruise.
Yes, so time we come there, I can just a cruise on the water because I'm licensed and I have a passport.
I feel like.
To Caribbean, you want to cruise go, you just have somebody where I drive a boat to. They
Yeah.
call them, yeah. So like you know, say, yeah, boss, we got Bahamas tomorrow, you know. So check the weather and see what the weather going to be like. I said,
I
okay,
think-
we can do it. We can.
So
I
funny.
yeah. Them things on.
I didn't even know all of that.
I'm the one to take my family out of sufferation.
Yeah.
Come and suffer, you know.
You know where I meet to man. You know what you talk about.
Come and suffer, man.
You have to explain nothing.
Left school and go learn trade with my father. Left
I don't
school
know.
for around grade 9, top go school.
A grade 9 is start for school.
Alright, I'm going to learn trade. I can
Me
build
too.
house, everything. Just go to YouTube and see me right now. Yeah, man.
And you still strengthen.
We see him like every day.
You know, he come there, because I might be able to place him, you know. He come there 3 days this week, come work and I 40 grand with him a while ago. Because him now come tomorrow, because he can go away tomorrow, so it's like, I want to carry, I go horse ride, I want to do something before she go away.
So you gotta run away with your guys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there was another thing too, I thought, but I can't remember. 2 things, nice things tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, 3 days I'm giving him 40 pack, man, and him feel nice, and me feel nice. Because at the end of the day, I build up my place for me, and at the end of the day, I give him a strength, same way. And I give him more than a strength. Yeah, man. I'm father, man. I'm 53.
So I'm your old man. Your mother.
Mother, they're foreign. Mother and 2 sisters, them they're overseas. So I just me, my father, and my brother they're out here. Mother them visit when them feel like, sister them visit when them feel like, but them the Caribbean, Bahamas. So we don't even call that foreign. You don't know talk about foreign, you talk about Canada, America, and them places.
Europe.
Yeah, Bahamas is just a Caribbean and
Yeah.
Jamaica. So them do over Bahamas. But if we all time to come, them have to come work with me. Things when I do, them have to come around with me. Mother, my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. Yeah, them where them want to move with my family. You know, the band comes from nothing. And blessed to you too, we can change. Blessed to Simon to cause. See, when see Simon come, when they go, I think I'm more going go. You just see him on the comment on a YouTube video if you want to go video, you see a weed farm.
Oh, that's how it started.
And he just come and he video the weed farm and cook some food. And then put it up on internet and from there.
I'm coming back. The bugs are biting me. I'm just going and look for a
Go to
second.
the car.
No, I'm just gonna go out right here and see if the bug's biting me.